In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to back up files from your computer to your Google Drive using the Google Drive application. Now let's begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is install the Google Drive application for your device and simply sign in. I have covered that in another video. After doing that, something like this will open up. From here, let us directly go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, well, there are lots and lots of options, but right now, let us simply go to preferences. Once you're in the preferences section, you're gonna be provided two tabs like My Laptop or Google Drive. Well, it's up to you. I'm just gonna go to my laptop section, and from here, I want to add a folder to back up to my Google Drive. I'm just gonna click on Add Folder, and from here, let's say I select this folder right here. Once I've selected the folder, let's simply hit on Select Folder right here. And as you can see, this will pop up like Sync your Google Drive. Well, it's up to you what you want to sync. Right now, I'm simply gonna click on both of them and hit on Done. Once everything's okay, simply hit on Save. And guys, that's it. Whenever you upload a file to that specific folder, it will automatically get uploaded to your Google Drive. And guys, that is it. That's how you back up files from your device to your Google Drive using the Google Drive application. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.